Welcome to Tongyeong Glam Dog, your gateway to curated luxury in Tongyeong-si, South Korea, where an unforgettable experience awaits. Discover this exclusive haven and book your stay effortlessly by scanning the QR code or finding the link in the description below. Tongyeong Glam Dog, a distinguished 4.5-star retreat, unveils a world of refined elegance. With only 2 meticulously crafted rooms, each stay promises an intimate and unparalleled experience. Indulge in the comfort of impeccably designed spaces, carefully curated to suit the senses and elevate your stay. Experience personalized service at its finest, ensuring every detail reflects your unique preferences. Check-in from 3 p.m. allows you to seamlessly transition into a world of tranquility, while a leisurely checkout by 11 a.m. provides you a final moment to savor the exceptional surroundings. While children are welcome, ensuring a serene atmosphere for all guests is paramount, making Tongyeong Glam Dog ideal for adults seeking a peaceful escape. For an experience unmatched in luxury and exclusivity, secure your reservation. Don't forget, booking is just a scan away. Use the QR code now.